Most first-time gardeners are going to fail, not because they're lazy and not because they don't care, but because they follow advice that's not made for them. Now, let me be real clear. If you're already deep into gardening, or you have a giant backyard, or love spending hundreds of dollars on fancy gear, then this video isn't for you. So click off, go watch HGTV or something like that. But if you're starting from scratch, and if you're short on time, space, money, or just want to grow real food fast without getting overwhelmed, then stick with me because this could save you months of frustration. Look, I've been in your shoes. I joined all the Facebook groups, I watched hours and hundreds of hours of YouTube videos. I even downloaded a bunch of free PDFs that just seemed to make me more confused or just frustrated. I just wanted to grow something. I wanted to eat something to make me feel better, but every beginner guide made me feel like I needed a degree in agriculture. So I just kept quitting, and then one day I'd start over. And if that's where you're at, I get it, because that's why I created something simple, the Emergency Grow Kit. It's not a course, it's not a lecture or a webinar. It's a jump start, just $17, and it walks you through the 10 fastest growing crops, a cheat sheet to match them with your health goals, and a video to avoid the 3 biggest beginner mistakes. I'll actually break down some of those mistakes here, but if you want it now, the link's in the description below. So who am I? I'm the Garden Mag, baby! And I've been growing food for years, and I figured this out finally that I need to do something while I was literally homeless, living out of a bag, trying to grow my own food because I had no other option. And since then, I've helped tons of others start the same way. No backyard, no budget, no idea where to start. It's actually perfect. But here's some of the mistakes that I've noticed that the beginner growers like you might make. Like, for instance, growing the wrong stuff at the wrong time. Lettuce and tomatoes, they're terrible first crops. Keyword being first crops because tomatoes take too long and lettuce sometimes are finicky. You want things that can grow within 10 to 21 days to get started with. Mistake number 2, trying to grow everything at once. You don't need a full garden. Just one crop, one pot, one light, windowsill, and one wind. Get the momentum. Mistake number 3, perfection kills progress. You don't need the best setup. You need to start. Nature rewards action, not perfection. And if any of this hits home and you're tired of guessing, you can just get the Emergency Grow Kit for $17. That's it. It'll show you exactly what you need to grow, why, and how to get started, even if you've never touched the seed before. Plus, it comes with a one-page cheat sheet and a quick video so you don't mess up. Again, this isn't for everyone. So if you want to grow potatoes on a ranch and harvest those in 90 days, hey, this ain't for you. But if you need results fast by growing food you can actually eat, and you want someone who's been through it to walk you through it, then I made this for you. Grab the link below and start growing today, and I'll see you soon. It's your favorite planting partner, the Garden Mag, baby. All right, have a great, lovely, wonderful day.